All right, today's a good day. Got the 17-inch Type 2 Schnitzers from Paul at eWheelworks. This has been a long time coming. All the good shops, whether it's wheel restoration or motorcycle repair or car restoration, they're backlogged to the moon. Several years for us, it's been a 2-year backlog basically since we started. It's really hard to find good, knowledgeable service work, especially specialty work like this for wheel restoration. Paul at eWheelworks and his team are absolutely top men over there with a lot of experience, specializing in 3-piece European wheels, BMW. They're an authorized BBS dealer, and they're coming out with stuff like these billet, CNC machine billet center caps for the Type 1 and Type 2 Schnitzers. You can find them on their website, link right in the description. This set that I have here is a 17 by 8 staggered with an 8.5 in the rear. Set up for E36. The Type 2 models, these racing wheels, specifically the Rennsports, these are getting increasingly hard to find. And most of the sets that you see, they're curbed to the moon. And there are companies in Europe that make the reproduction lips and barrels, but they're usually special order and they take a long time to come in. So, you know, when you see sets like this pop up, they're usually not fresh. They usually, you know, they have a couple thousand miles on them. Usually they're curbed up. And to restore them, even yourself, it's going to be several months waiting for the equipment. And some sets, you know, you see faces get bent. Just the faces alone are basically priceless. They're not produced anymore. They quit production in the 90s. So you pay the cost to be the boss. I got a great deal on this set from a retailer in Greece, 1850 needing restoration, and then went through Paul at eWheelworks, and this is the total. A lot of back and forth, some machining involved with the new faces, and some barrels that were reused that had to be cleaned up. But this is the end result, just absolutely stunning. And again, just top-notch work from the guys at eWheelworks. It doesn't get any better than this. No sloppy sealant or anything like that. These guys know their shit. So if you're looking to have a set quoted, just a refinish will be a lot more inexpensive than what they did with this set. This is basically a core for restoration is what we started with here, and they made the magic happen. Still super reasonable for the time that they had invested into these, but just a refinish, these guys are super reasonable, so hit them up. Top quality operation. They run their business the same that we do at Kaplan Cycles, and the customer always gets hooked up. These guys have continuously stepped up in all of our dealings, and would refer family to them. So hats off to Paul and team at eWheelworks. These are gonna get installed on my buddy Eric's E36 wagon. He's got a 97 328i wagon that's slammed on some eBay coilovers. So these are gonna go on that car. It's gonna be tasteful. Stay tuned.